Then first thing is you need to download the package, right? Simply I'm typing the prompt as download MySQL Windows, or else we can say that for Windows, right? Say it as Windows and with installer, right? These words are important. Windows and installer. So download Windows installer for MySQL. It gives you the answers. Out of them, first one says that download MySQL installer. So that's easy, right? Otherwise, you have to configure many more things. Then I may click on the first link, MySQL installer. Right. When you go to the installer, it shows you different packages available, different versions, right? Select the version. This is 8.042 version and 5 version also there. Like us, there are different versions available. So then the first one, select the operating system Windows. Now we are working with Windows. Apple people will select Mac or whatever thing, right? Then in this case, you have two packages. One is the complete installer. Other one is a web installer. I'll get that web install at first, the 2.1, right? Then I said download, it will get downloaded. No thanks here, right? Just continue my download. I don't want to log on. Then it gives me the downloader. I'll just save that downloader into the desktop and say OK. Then once the downloading is completed, I'll go to the downloaded file. In the desktop, it has been saved here, right? Desktop no, not that. That's the MySQL. This one, right? This is a MySQL download that I have received, the bottom one, right? Then after getting that, you may double click on it. Now it's going to get installed. It says that install a web community. Yes. Now, what is it? Please select the setup. Just keep the server only. So we need to install the MySQL server itself. I'll select server and then click next. Then it says that MySQL 8.042 is ready to download. We just got the installer only, not the package. And now it will get downloaded. Then click on it and say execute. Now it will get downloaded. Progress is showing. Downloaded. And then click on next. Then we have lazy next under the after that execute. Now it will get installed into my computer. Otherwise you can't make your computer ready with MySQL. Then you can't try this. Now it's completed. And then click on next. Right. Then next again, ready to configure. Now it gives some details to configure. These are some technical details. They use the port 3306 and the other port 33060. Port in network, we said that. So this is the port to handle MySQL database. Hopefully this port may be free in your computer. If so, it is ready. By making a port occupy computer, you can't install it. Then you have to select some other port. Picture make any next color. Then it will say next. Now this is very important. You may give a password for your MySQL installer server. The server is install. They need the security. Password. I'll say it as 1, 2, 3, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then next. Then the server name is MySQL DB. Let it go. Next. Next. Then execute. Now it will configure the server package. So all these tests should be passed. Make a pass on that. Sorry, Tamai. Port and end on. Hope that all are ticked now in mind. Shape. Game commercial game port somehow occupy. If so, they don't let you to install this. Then you have to find the solution. What the problem? Then again get the help of Google, right? Google I may rake in. Then they'll say that this is the issue. Then this is the way how you release that code. Then I will say it as finished. Now next, then my work is done. Now compiler is ready with MySQL. That's the way how you install it. Hope that you can manage on your own. I demonstrated that. And if you are not sure, you can check the recording and get it. Then how to use MySQL in your computer. Now go to start, and then the package is there now. Or else you may search for MySQL. Then installed version is there. Right? Whenever I open MySQL, now it asks the password. Now can see it? Right. Now they ask the password. What is my password? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then this is the place where your command prompt is activated. So at this place, you may type the commands. First of all, I'll check the databases available. How do I? Show databases. Semicolon. It shows the databases available. I didn't create any. This is the first time I install it. But there are 4 databases available. If I want to create a new database, what should I do? Help me. Create space database, then the name of the database, school. Say that I forget, no, I put the semicolon. Then it says query OK. That is say that your database has been successfully created. Right. Then when I type that create database school, it says this is the way how you confirm that, right? Query OK, 1 row affected. That means my database has been created. Now I want to see whether it has been created. Then I may type it as show databases. A database has wrong errors, wrong spelling. And show databases, plural, semicolon. Now it shows the database school even. Then among them, I want to open the school database. How do I open it? Use school. School akuru waradi. Hari. Me erase edji then balana astarala මොකද උනේ කියලා. Unknown database. You may read the error. Unknown database SCHOOL. Harini. When you read it, this is not there. Fine. I create a database called as SCH. Then one more facility in MySQL. You can get the previously entered commands by using the up arrow key on the keyboard. Arrow key is the one. Up arrow key. It will give you all the commands that you have entered. Then that's easy rather than typing it from the beginning. Right? Then here I have to say it as use the database name school. Now it says that database changed, not an error. That means database school has been created. Then out of that, I want to create the one of the table called as somewhere like, then in order to create the student table, what is the command? Create table student, open brackets. Then I must say the column names. Reg number. You can't keep spaces there, right? Reg number space tibot varadi. You must maintain them as without spaces. Reg number, char, 4, comma, reg number. G is not missing. And then I can go to the next line if I wish. Student name, std name, vacha, 15, comma, space, addr, vacha, 30, comma, or else I can keep writing on the same line. The another one is telephone, 10, and then I may put marks as well, mk, int, 3, and then I may define the primary key. primary key. What is the primary key then? Rich number. මේවා ගහද්දි එක එක විදිහේ errors එයි ඕගොල්ලෝ, right? You may make spelling mistake and things like that. Then I say okay. Now it says query okay. That means table has been created. How do you check whether the table is there? Two tables. Case again. It shows that student is created. Now I want to know that what are the columns in the student table. Student කියලා table එකක් තියෙනවා. What are the columns? What is the primary key? How can you get it? There's another command called as describe student. Now it shows these are the field. Rich number is there, that is of char 4. Null, not null. Yes, we said it as not null, right? ඊළඟට this is the primary key. They say that key is primary. Then student name, vacha, address, mk, everything is there. Then that is how they will describe you the table. It shows what are the available columns and everything. Right? Then I am telling you that try the works up to this level. So practice is this is nothing. Install MySQL into the computer and then practice it. Here onwards, you will be expert on these codes once you do the computer. Right? Then ඔය මං ගහපු විදිහට ඉක්මනට ගහ ගන්න බෑ ඔයගොල්ලන්ට. This is your first time, right? Then what you have to do is try that